Good morning, welcome back to the farm. We got some chicks coming this week, and we got a new brooder we're going to put together. That's what this film ain't going to be about, but it's early in the morning, kind of. But we got to open the farm stand, and we got to go water our mums, and then I got to drink some coffee, then we'll get that all put together. So let's go ahead and open the farm stand. And good morning, everybody.
Morning.
And probably going to have to pick some too, ain't we?
Yeah, we definitely
We'll have to do some picking, so we've got to do all that first, and then we'll get together with our DIY project, do it yourself, right?
Yeah.
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 I don't know. All right, let's get this farm stand open.
Melons in here.
Got some beautiful cantaloupes. Also got some watermelon in here. So got some honey. There's a watermelon. Isn't that pretty? Kind of hurting on the cucumbers, so we'll have to change these out. We don't have a whole lot left. Well, these peppers look good. All right. We'll turn the fan on, and we'll go down and water mums. Let me move this. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, there you go. Help me one time. And
Okay, so I got these all tightened up, and I gotta put a water in here. I'm going to have to change it out because I think it's cracked. But anyway, and we'll use that for a feed for now. But we went to Tractor Supply to get there's a train going by. I hope it ain't too loud. To get some goat treats, and we seen they still had chicks. So even though we got 30 something coming Wednesday, you know, in a couple of days, we went and got 4 Americanas because we like that blue egg. And here they are. So I'm gonna put them down there. We got a mix of colors. Now if I was, I wonder if I should put shavings down there. If I was getting these through the mail now, I'd make sure, but I see them drinking there at Tractor Supply. Put these in shavings. Yeah, I might do that. Just till they get a little older. Now, I think this thing's supposed to hold. I can't remember what they said. Something like 40 chicks. So, they act like they're hungry. I got some feed, so I might get some. So I think I got one of those long skinny feeders, so I'll put that in there. That's just temporary there. Alright, appreciate you watching the video. When we go get the ones at the post office, that'll be a different video. And I'll have this set up a little better. So we just kind of got these on the wind. We got some olive eggers coming in the mail. So they lay a green egg, and these lay a blue egg. And I got a couple that lay a white egg. I got 3 that lay white egg, just a regular old leghorn. And that's actually my favorite chicken. And I got a bunch of browns. So brown sex legs. It's a production type chicken. I've got a bunch of, that's what I got in my big coop. So I have brown, this first flock we have brown eggs, green eggs, blue eggs, and white eggs. So it's gonna be pretty cool. Alright, hope you liked the video. So this probably took about 45 minutes, and we're already talking about maybe add on to the legs, so it'll be standing up a little more. But I like the way it latches, and I like this. I'll put my light here, so and they got plenty of breathing here, then they can get over here when they get cold. I like this. This is a pretty nice little setup. I don't know if it'll hold, I guess it'll hold 40. There's 4 in there, so 10 times that. We'll find out when we get those 30 in here. Alright, hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, share with your neighbors and friends. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.